How to use a Keurig machine, part 1. No, not the Nespresso. Plug it, you dummy. This is the one that we're looking at today. Now, if you're wondering, I already filled it up with water just to show you as an example. So, here is how to use a Keurig machine for beginners. It's meant for all of them. And you can do one by one. You can follow the steps. This is part 1. Watch all the other parts as well, because this is for beginners. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, and go. Keurig. Always, when you buy a new product, you unbox it. When you unbox it, you put all the parts together. When you put all of the parts together, then you plug it in. I didn't pay attention of it. Of the thing. I didn't pay attention of the outlet. I accidentally looked up, not down. But don't worry about it. Once you plug it in, guys, then you're gonna have to grab a cup. No. That one's broken. The handle's broken. We're gonna have to throw that one out once I'm done this video. Here is a coffee. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Here is a mug with no hole. This one goes to the Nespresso, you dummy. So once you grab your cup, you put it here and make sure this is not missing and make sure it's connected. Once you do that, and once you connect it and you put it there, you're gonna have to fill it up with water, and you're gonna have to take this off. Once you take it off, you fill it up with water, with tap water. Once you fill it up with tap water, actually, you take this off, then you fill it up with tap water. Once you fill it up with tap water, then you put it back here. And once you put it back there, you put this on top. Once you put that on top, then what you do is you open this up. Once you open it up, you put the coffee inside. Once you put the coffee inside, you close it. Once you poke the hole inside, you turn it on. Once you turn it on, it starts that weird noise. And it's going to say, choose a feature. And it says heating, okay, that's a delay. So if it says heating, it's heating up. Come back for part 2, guys. I hope you liked part 1. Come back for part 2.